Let's make my Sunday dinner. Pumpkin rice with stewed chicken and raw veg. Let's make this classic comfort food. We're gonna start off with the chicken. It's already washed, cut, and clean. Add in your favorite all-purpose seasoning, chicken seasoning, garlic powder, Scotch bonnet powder, green seasoning, now we're gonna rub the seasoning. Set this aside and allow to marinate. Time to work on the pumpkin rice, okay? Coconut milk. Garlic. Pimento berries. Some green seasoning, salt, pumpkin is nice and soft. Even though we add green seasoning, we're gonna add back some fresh seasoning to it. Scallion, thyme, and Scotch bonnet pepper. Add your washed rice, and this is 2.5 cups of rice. Also gonna add butter. You don't have to add it if you don't want to. Okay. You want the stove to be on medium high, and after about 15 minutes, turn it down on low. Okay. Add some oil to the pot. We're gonna burn some brown sugar. Now it has the desired color that I'm looking for. I'm gonna add the chicken. After about 15 minutes, look at all this juice. Add in fresh tomato, potato, carrots, bell pepper, pepper and thyme. After about half an hour, all done. All done. All done. So now we're gonna go ahead and do a taste test. This dish is simple and easy, but once you get it right, it could be more than just something. Very good. And that gravy is The rice is so good. Everything just pairs so good with each other. Every time I make this salad, the food just elevate with this salad. You just bring it back straight to Jamaica, straight to yard. It just tastes good. I'm not gonna chat too much. I'm gonna go ahead and eat my dinner in peace. If you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to like, share, and also leave me a comment down below. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Bye guys. Happy Sunday.